Every time you drive, your engine is either getting stronger or wearing out faster. The worst part? Most drivers damage their engine without even realizing it. Here are 10 driving habits that slowly destroy your engine. And the number one mistake can shorten your engine's life by years. 10. Revving a cold engine. Starting your car and immediately flooring the accelerator is one of the fastest ways to increase engine wear. Let the engine warm up with gentle driving for the first few minutes. 9. Skipping oil changes. Engine oil reduces friction and carries away heat. Old or dirty oil can't protect moving parts properly, leading to premature wear and expensive repairs. 8. Driving with low engine oil. Even if the oil warning light hasn't come on, running the engine with low oil can cause severe damage within minutes. Check the oil level regularly. 7. Ignoring the check engine light. That small dashboard light often appears before a minor problem becomes a major engine failure. Early repairs usually cost much less. 6. Overheating the engine. Continuing to drive with an overheating engine can damage the head gasket, warp engine components, or even ruin the engine completely. 5. Constant hard acceleration. Rapid starts and aggressive driving put extra stress on pistons, bearings, and other engine components, increasing long-term wear. 4. Driving through deep water. Water entering the engine can cause hydrolock, a condition that may severely damage internal engine parts. If the water looks too deep, don't risk it. 3. Always driving on an almost empty fuel tank. Frequently running very low on fuel can make the fuel pump work harder and, in some older vehicles, increase the chance of drawing sediment from the bottom of the tank. 2. Using the wrong engine. Oil. Every engine is designed for a specific oil grade and viscosity. Using the wrong type can reduce lubrication and affect engine performance and longevity. And number 1. Ignoring strange engine noises. Knocking, ticking, grinding, or loud rattling sounds are your engine's way of asking for help. The longer you ignore them, the more expensive the repair is likely to become. Take care of your engine, and it can last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Ignore these habits, and even the best engine won't survive for long.